Leftover snow from the big weekend storm, and today we have an update on how the state's drought situation has improved. Now we want to show you the map from last Thursday. The dark red right here means exceptional drought, and you get into the red, that is extreme drought. Down here, severe. We've got problems all over the state, and boy did we need that storm. Right now we want to take a look at the new drought map. Just came out today. What a welcome change. A lot of the red is gone. However, we still have some issues out here in western Colorado, but look at the eastern plains and the Front Range. Just such a great shot of moisture from that big wet storm. As you can see over here, though, some of the mountain areas still need some help from spring storms. We hope we get those. They are sticking in that exceptional and that extreme range.
Well, and as you said, Jim, unfortunately, the outlook is positive in some spots, but not really in a lot of others. In Colorado on the west and then even farther west. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, today said it's expecting the most significant U.S. spring drought since 2013. The Southwest is expected to have exceptional drought, and water supply will be a concern this spring.
Despite the recent heavy snowfall from the snowstorm, favored above normal temperatures and in some areas below normal precipitation over the spring as a whole, maintains the risk for drought development.
NOAA also expects warmer than normal temperatures between April and June for most of the nation, with exception to western Montana, northern Idaho, and parts of Oregon and Washington.
The Denver School